Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another Tech Wednesday, and to all newcomers, welcome to my channel. My name is Denis, and as you already saw from title, today we are gonna talk about the best power bank. So, what's so special about this power bank? I mean, it only has 6000 mAh capacity. Okay, so here is the truth. Back in time when I started with videography, I needed something to back up my SD cards on the go. I did found some great products, but way too expensive. And looking at that, it just made me realize that I cannot afford it at the moment. So I had to find alternative, something cheaper but still reliable. I went through Amazon and boom! I found it. This, my friends, is RevPower File Hub Plus. Hang on, didn't you say this video will be about power bank and not some file transfer device? Exactly, this, my friends, is power bank. But at the same time, this is file transfer device that can help you transfer your files from SD card to your hard drive or to your phone and vice versa. And after all of that, it works also as Wi-Fi router, bridge, and so on. You know what I mean. Now let's see how it works. When you need to use it as power bank, all you have to do is to connect USB to device and on the other side to the second device that needs to be charged up. On same port we connect our external hard drive and on the other side we insert our SD card and it works as click. After that we need to turn on the file hub, we enter the application, we also have to choose Wi-Fi connection, enter the password, and after you are connected you can see icons here for USB hard drive and SD card. Then all you have to do is to enter file folder, choose from where you want to copy, let's say from SD card. I want to copy few files, press copy, go back to file hub, choose you want to copy them on your external hard drive and paste. And there we go. You can see transfer complete and all the files that were copied. And beside USB port, we also see Ethernet port where we can connect directly to internet from cable and we can use it as a wireless router. So this is what you get for your money. USB/SD card reader, power bank with 6000 mAh battery inside, and wireless router device. But not everything is so shiny. Hang on. Wireless router capability offers only 2.4 GHz connection. And you always need to have with you your phone or your computer if you want to transfer files. But at the end of the day, would you even consider not to buy this device for only $44? I didn't. And I have it for a few months now, and this, my friends, I can say was one of the best investments since I started with videography. If you're in search for something like this but on a budget same as I did, I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you can buy it today. Of course, if you want. With that, I'm checking out for today. Stay in love. Peace.